Dear students, welcome to English grammar class. Today we will come up with a new topic and very essential and a very important English grammar, that is articles. Articles play an important role in English grammar. At the same time, when we speak English to anyone, so they are very important in formation of any sentence. If there is or if there are no articles in sentence, there will be no meaning in the sentence. Once again I repeat, if there are no articles in the sentence, there will be no meaning in the sentence. So articles are very important. Now let us listen and let us discuss, let us learn, all of you, what are articles, what are the functions of articles, where we place articles in sentences, and where we should not place articles in any sentence. Let us focus all these important points in this class. So I welcome you all to listen carefully, attentively and interestingly this grammar class. So what are the articles? We have three types of articles are there. A, an, the or the are called articles. What are articles? A, an, the are called articles. Now let us see one by one. What are a and the articles? A and articles are called indefinite articles. A and are called indefinite articles. The is called definite article. Why a and the are called indefinite articles and why the is called definite article? When we speak in general, in common, we use an article. So when we speak anything in general or common sense, we use a and the article. When we speak particularly about any object, about any person or about any animal or about anything, we use definite article. So when we use definite article, there is a particular reason or purpose. We have the purpose. Indefinite article used general sense and common, and definite article the is particular or purpose. Now let us see the difference between indefinite article and definite articles. Indefinite articles and definite articles. So a and the are called indefinite articles, the is called definite article. Now let us see one by one. Let us speak about a, article a. In English, there are two kinds of words are there. One is vowels. Second one is consonants. Vowels and consonants. Now let us see what are vowels and what are consonants. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Vowels a, e, I, o, u are called vowels. Consonants are other words, other words except A, E, I, O, U, all are called consonants. So, before we use these articles, let us learn what are vowels, what are consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U called vowels, and consonants are called other words other than vowels. Now, let us see where we place article A article. A article. Okay, first use is in the sense of certain. In the sense of certain. All of you take all these points one by one and clearly take all the points. Vowels and consonants. Vowels you write A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and consonants other words you need not to write. So, these are vowels and consonants. Now, let us we are learning how to use A article and how to place A article in the sentences. First one is in the sense of certain. In the sense of certain, we should use A article. For example, a man came to meet my dad yesterday. A man came to meet my dad yesterday. Certain a man, there is no particular man. A man is called, A is called article here. A is called article here. So, a man came to meet my dad yesterday. When we speak in the sense of certain, a man, a girl. I want to read a book. Here we can see I want read a book. Which book we cannot, we don't say, which means what, which book we are not saying particularly. So, a book, whether, so there are so many number of books out there, but among these books, one book I want to read. So, there is the particular book of the name of the book, that is called a article. So, a book. So, when we speak about these in certain, a man, a book, a woman, a pen, a pencil, and we can use even countable nouns before countable nouns also. Second point, before countable nouns. Pen can be counted, books can be counted, pencil can be counted, bags can be counted. Then we can use a article. So, we are a book, example, a book. Next one, a pen, a bag, a pencil, etc. These are called a article. We have replaced here a book, a pen, a bag, a pencil, etc. Next, first one we spoke and we learned first one in the sense of certainty, a man, a girl, a woman, a city, a village. Next, before countable nouns, we should use a. Next, in the sense of numerical, we are talking about a article in the sense of numerical. What is the sense of numerical? 12 inches. 12 inches make a foot. A foot. So, in the sense of we can use 12. Not a word said. Not a word is said. A word. So, first example, 12 inches make a foot. A foot, A is article. Not a word is said or was said. And a word. So when we speak about the numerical way also, we can use a article like 12 inches make a foot, and not a word was said. Not a word was said. The third one. First one, in the sense of certainty, we use a article, that is example, a woman, a girl, a man, etc. Second sense, in the place before countable nouns also we can use a article, that is a book, a pen, a pencil, a bag. Next, in the sense of numerical number, we can use 12 inches make a foot. Not a word was said. Next, when we speak, third one, when we speak to represent any class or to represent any whole class, to represent a class. For example, this is the fourth use to represent a class. A dog is a faithful animal. A dog is a faithful animal. A dog is a faithful animal. So here, a dog. So which means when we say a dog is faithful animal, that meaning is all the animals, all the dogs are faithful. All the dogs are faithful. This is the meaning. So when we use a dog, a cat, a tiger, a lion, when we speak of this one, when we represent the class, then it speaks entire class, entire race, then we can use a article. That is a dog is a faithful animal, which means almost all dogs are faithful. A lion is strong animal, which means all the lions are strong. So when we speak about to represent class, we can use a article. Next, when we represent or when we speak certain profession or trade, profession or trade or occupation, profession, trade or occupation, we can use a article. That is, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. A teacher, profession. He is a businessman. He is a businessman. Okay, he is a business. Then a businessman, profession, trade. So a article, we can use a article when we speak in general our profession, our occupation, our trade, then we can use a article. Next sentence, next usage, in exclamatory sentences also we can use a. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences we use a. For example, what a lovely girl she is. What a lovely girl she is. This exclamatory sentence. In the exclamatory sentence, where we place a article, a lovely girl. So when we speak about certain exclamatory sentences also, we use a article. A article. Next, usage, when in the sense of every, or at the rate of, in the sense of every and at the rate of. at the rate of this is the one. Also you can use a article. For example, he earns hours rupees 1000 a month. See, he earns rupees 1000 a month. A month we use a month. Here we can use a article when we and in the sense of every hour at the rate of we use a article. For example, he earns 1000 a month. 1000 a month. So these are some of the use of article A. When we speak about article A, we use in general. We won't point out any particular name of the person, particular name of the thing, particular name of the places. And one very very important usage or important note is important note. A article is used before the consonants. A article is used before consonants. Before consonants. Okay, a boy, B, a boy, a girl. So before consonants we use what? A article. Remember a very very important point. Before consonants words we use a article. And note very important this one. This one. Before even vowels also which gives consonant sound, we should use a article, not an. Remember, before, this is very very important point. Before vowels which give consonant sound, we use a article. Before vowels which give consonant sound. For example, a university. A university. A university. A uniform. A uniform. A unique person. A unique person. Now listen, before vowel, this is U is vowel. Here also U is vowel. And here also U is vowel. But we should use a vowel Y, which gives oo sound. Oo, the sound of oo, which means which oo sound. Here it is very very important. It is consonants. So we should use a university. Many students will make a mistake when we see university. They write an university, an uniform. It's a wrong statement. It is a university, a uniform, a unique person. Why? Because that word itself gives a consonant sound. Which word will give consonant sound? U gives a consonant sound. So what sound here? This one. U sound. University, uniform, unique person. In this is very very important usage in a article. A article. So a university, a uniform, a unique person, and it gives the sound oo sound. That's why we should use a university, a uniform, a unique person. Next, second thing, va sound, va, which gives vowel va sound. This is the vowel va sound. For example, a 1 rupee note. A 1 rupee note. Actually, O is vowel. O is vowel. when there is vowel, when the sound is vowel sound, we should use an. But in this case, we should use a only, because it gives the sound is called wa, 1 rupee note. A one man army, a one man army, a wa sound, wa, 1 man army. Here wa, 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note, not a and 1 rupee note, and 1 man army. It is a 1 man army or a 1 rupee note. That's why we should use a article, which means we should use a article. Once again I repeat, if the vowel word or vowel sentence which give consonant sound, we should use a only. Even though it is vowel also, we should use a only. These are the example. University, 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 university. So a university. A unique person, a uniform, not an uniform, a uniform. Sound is different. Sound, we are getting the consonant sound. So that's why it is a university or a uniform. A 1 rupee note. Now let us. So far we have seen about a article, when to use a article, when to replace a article. Now let us see article yan. Article yan. First point, yan. Before the vowels, we should use an. Yan is used before vowels. Yan is used before vowels. Now let us see what are vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. They are called vowels. They are called vowels. Now, A, for example, you can take an apple, okay, an elephant, an ink or an ice cream, okay. Next, an orange, an umbrella, So these are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So very important, before the vowels we should use the an only. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ink or an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. A, E, I, O, U. Not all these words, any words starting with vowels, we can use an article. An intelligent, an experienced person, an ideal teacher, an experienced person, an ideal teacher, also called an, we should use an. So where we use an and where we place an article before vowels, that is an apple, elephant, ink or ice cream, orange, umbrella. Next, let us see before vowels. Next, an is used. Second one, an is used before consonants. Okay, before consonants. When the H is silent, For example, use an hour. Listen carefully. An hour. H is silent here. you should pronounce our, an hour. So when we use, then it is called, O is called vowel. So an hour, an hour. When the H is silent, in this word, H is silent. H is silent. I write once again, hour. Okay, an hour. Actually, we should use a hour. Wrong, it's wrong. A hour is wrong. We should not write a hour, an hour. Why? Because H is silent here. So you should write a hour, hour. Next one, an honorable, 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 honorable. Not a H. Honorable, honorable. Honorable Chief Minister, honorable. Here also H is silent. An honesty, an honesty. Here also honesty, H-O. So when the H is silent, or vowel also which gives consonants also which give vowel sound, then we can use an article, like a article. A article, vowel sound gives consonant word, then we can use a. Consonant words will give the vowel sound, you use an. First one, an is used before vowels. What are vowels again? We have seen a, e, I, o, u are called vowels. And next, what are next one? An is used before consonants when the H is silent, like an hour, an honorable, an honesty. Okay, an hour, an honorable, a honesty, an honesty. Next, third one, before the abbreviations of, before the abbreviations of certain position. For example, MLA, MLA, MLC. Okay, next NCC. These are positions, abbreviations. Now here is an, here, an, here, an. Why MLA, a sound, vowel sound. So we should use an MLA, an MLA, an MLC, an NCC, a sound, an MBA. So when we use these words, an MLA, an MLC, an NCC, then it is we use an article. So before the abbreviations of certain positions, we should use an article, an MLA, an MLC, an NCC. Next, fourth point, when we use before the agencies or organs, we should use only an. For example, an. Okay, an. We use UNESCO, UNESCO, and UNESCO. So like that, we use an article, an article. So in this session, we learnt what are the articles, what are definite articles, indefinite article, and what are the functions of a article and an article. Now let us continue this class in next class about the article. Thank you. Stay with us.